Today I'm here to explain about this question, convert the degree value to radians and radian value to degrees. For the last video, I explained about what degree is. Degree is like that. Let's say this is 30 degrees and this is 90 degrees. Degrees are like that. Radians, this is another way to express degrees. Okay, so let me explain about it. First, let me sketch the circle here. And this circle has the radius of 1. This is called a unit circle. Again, unit circle is the circle with a radius of 1. Then, what is radians? First, let me ask you some questions. What is circumference of this circle? Let me put circumference C. C is equivalent to 2 pi. Circumference you can calculate 2 times radius times pi. And radius in unit circle is 1, so it's going to be 2 pi. Then let me ask you another question. What is the degree of one full rotation, which is 360 degrees? Yes. Actually, this is degrees. Just let me erase here. And this is radians. You know what I mean? So that, for example, half of circle, the length of half of circle is pi because it's half of circumference. And what is degrees of to rotate from here to here? It's going to be 180. It's half of 80 degrees. It's half of 360 degrees. So the radius 1 means, oops, it's here. Radius shows the arc length of unit circle. So if it's 1, it means it shows this angle. I'm not sure what is. I don't want to calculate the degree of radius once, but radius is like that. So this is the equation. 1 pi is equivalent to 180 degrees. So you are going to use that. So for example, here you have, let's say, 90 degrees. What is 90 degrees in radians? It's going to be pi over 2. How would you calculate it? So let's work on number A. You have 240 degrees. This one is degree to radian. To find degrees to radian, you multiply pi over 180. Then let's calculate it. It's going to be 4 is equal to 4 pi over 3. Again, number B, 70 degrees. You want to find radians, so it's same. You multiply pi over 180 degree. It's going to be 2 pi over 5. Number C, 3 pi over 4. This case, you want to find radians to degree. So it's going to be totally opposite. So you multiply 180 over pi times 180 over pi, which is 135 degrees. And lastly, you have 2.13, and this is radian too because there's no sign of degree. So radian to degree, what you have to do is you have to multiply 180 over pi, 180 over pi, which is 122 degrees. I just use calculator. So again, let me conclude it. If you want to find radian to degree, you have to multiply 180 over pi. But if you want to find radian to degree, you have to multiply pi over 180. That's because pi is equivalent to 180. That's it.